Are you struggling to troubleshoot server crashes effectively? Learn how FusionReactor can transform your post-crash analysis. Discover more about its powerful tools that provide deep insights and preemptive planning capabilities. To start, we'll explore everything the FusionReactor Cloud platform brings to the table for post-crash troubleshooting. Then we'll shift our focus to the on-premise tools. You'll notice some shared capabilities, but the cloud version offers the huge advantage of historic data. FusionReactor Cloud retains metrics, traces, and logs for long periods, 13 months for metrics and 30 days for logs and traces. This allows you to view your system's metrics, traces, and logs up until the point of the crash, while on-premise will lose some data due to it being stored in memory. Live mode. To begin, within the cloud platform, you can select a server and then toggle the orange live mode clock. This action enables you to specify a historical time frame, allowing for direct viewing of relevant data in the server window. This timeframe control is applicable across the Metrics tab, as well as the Saved in Cloud sections for web requests, transactions, and JDBC data. Explore and logging. You can also view your data in the Explore and Logging sections and control the time frame using the drop-down in the Explore frame. This gives you more control about the data you are visualizing. Dashboards. Similarly, dashboards can provide valuable insight into your metrics leading up to a crash. Click on a relevant dashboard in the list, and then you can adjust the time frame using the drop-down in the dashboard window frame. You can also change the labels at the top left to narrow down your search. Anomaly Detection. Our Cloud AI plan users can also make use of anomaly detection. This feature uses the R.E.D metrics, rate, error, and duration of requests to alert you on any anomalous observations made about your requests. If your request rate, error rate, or duration of requests spike or fall, the system will make you aware via your subscriptions, such as email, and the sensitivity of the tool can be configured as required. In on-premise, which cloud users will also have access to, you have several tools to help you investigate a crash. Some features here will require preemptive configuration to get the most out of them. Crash Protection. Crash Protection is a feature that will allow you to set up alerts for requests similarly to our Anomaly Detection feature. You can be alerted on long-running requests, large amounts of requests, as well as CPU and Java memory for the server. This will require setting up the email settings, and any requests that you know will take longer than usual can be set to be ignored by Crash Protection entirely to prevent false alerts. JDBC logs. If you use JDBC often and think it will help troubleshooting, you can turn on JDBC logs in the on-premise UI by navigating to JDBC settings, then change the JDBC logging drop-down to enabled. This will create a log of messages that will be written whenever a JDBC request is made, and customized as required for your environment. Archive Viewer. The on-premise UI also features the Archive Viewer under Logging. Here you get to peruse your metrics and logs to help you identify what happened leading up to the crash by adjusting the date and hour timeframe at the top left. This is similar to the Server and Explore views in Cloud. You can view the data stored for up to 30 days by default, but this retention limit can be adjusted by navigating to Log Settings and then clicking on Log Archive Settings. Together, these FusionReactor features give you deep, end-to-end visibility into your application, helping you pinpoint the root cause of server crashes and fully understand what led to any downtime.